Holy it did not make me a happy gal. Let me just say that. This is like so freaking cool. Oh, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are dipping into the December BOXYCHARM box. Finally. I hate uploading BOXYCHARMs this late because I feel like I would love to do it in the beginning of the month, but this box was stuck in Georgia for like 7 days with no update, and it did not make me a happy gal. Let me just say that. But regardless, we're getting it up, and let's go ahead and get into the December BOXYCHARM box. This month's BOXYCHARM theme is bubbles and glitz, and look how freaking cute this is. I love this packaging. I die for it. So the first thing that I noticed right off the bat what I got was this sponge by Makeup Eraser. It is so freaking cool, honestly. Obviously, you can use it for concealer, for powder, for foundation, and it says the first ever machine washable sponge, specifically formulated by the original Makeup Eraser. It features the same unique wash technology to erase makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing. It says, use wet or dry for a flawless application. The wet sponge will expand in size to create a sheer finish. The drier the sponge, the fuller the coverage. So as you can see here, I'm applying my foundation and concealer with the dry sponge, which is very, I don't know, I almost didn't do it because like it just is very weird to me. I always have a damp sponge or spray my sponge, but I actually really loved it. Like I could tell that it just gave a fuller coverage to my foundation because the foundation I was using is very like natural to sheer coverage. So I could tell right off the bat that this dry sponge really added coverage into the skin. Once you're done with this, you can put it in this little cap thing and you just throw it right into your washer. It says machine wash in a wash ball approximately once a week with your makeup eraser / like towel load. And then once you get it out of the washer, all you do is literally just throw it into the dryer and you're good to go. It says the higher the heat, the happier the sponge. Longer heat equals less germs. So this is like so freaking cool. I love my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, but I actually really freaking loved this. And I don't know if I said, but this was $18. So I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup just to speed things up, and I totally freaking forgot like an idiot. I went through the steps of what I needed to do and what I did not need to do to save for the box, and I totally forgot and did my whole face and realized that I have a face palette that I could have used. This is the iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette. This retails for $55. It looks like you have a matte blush and like a shimmer blush, a few bronzers, and some highlight. Honestly, I was watching Manny MUA's BOXYCHARM video and he got this. He actually didn't like this one at all. He said it did not give really good pigment, so I'm not like terribly upset that I didn't use it, but I will go ahead and maybe go in with a little bit, or maybe I'll just swatch them, I don't know. So this is like more of a highlight shade. Yeah, the pigment's just not really there. I'll swatch all the top row first and then. So this is the swatches for $55. This is not very impressive. If I'm gonna pay $55 for a face palette, I want to be able to like see me from the moon, and this is just not, it's not it. And then I'll swatch the bottom row. What the heck? So I just swatched it right there, and you can't even freaking see it. Like you can kind of see this shimmer blush right here, but the rest you can't even freaking see. And for $55, I agree with Manny. This is not a very good product. It just doesn't even really like show up on the skin or anything. I would never spend $55 on this palette. But yeah, maybe I'm just like being too hard on it. Maybe I actually like need to use it in full force, but I obviously forgot to do that. But I will give it a shot in like an upcoming video or something just to really test it out. But next, we have one of my favorite products. I'm so happy I got this because I'm running low on my other one. It is the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. I absolutely love this, and I'm not gonna open this just yet because I have one that is open. I'm gonna save that for later, but I'm just gonna go in with this mascara and do my lashes. And this Tarte Man-Eater Mascara is retailed for $23. I just love the way these little tiny bristles, they just like grip onto your lashes, and like they make my lashes so much longer. Like I don't have really long lashes at all. They really give me length and I love it. So I just went in with like one light layer
as I keep adding more.
I went in with a like medium layer because I'm going to do some lashes. Next in our box, we got the Glamnetic Bella Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. This could get interesting. I've never used magnetic liner before and I'm a tad bit scared, but also a smidge excited. So let's see what this is all about. So this is the magnetic eyeliner. Looks like this. I'm a little scared. A little scared. These are the lashes. These are freaking drama. I feel like I could probably walk outside and take flight with these things, but we're gonna try them. Okay, so I'm just gonna use some scissors to cut these babies down because they are long. Oh, maybe they're not. Oh, okay. See, there's like a long black strip in here. I thought this was the whole lash band, but that's just like the band that keeps the magnetics on there. I gotcha. I was like, that's a lot of band for no hair there. That's weird. Okay, going in with the magnetic lash liner, and I apply it directly to my lash line. Bella is a medium wispy flared lash that gives a classy and beautiful winged eye effect. Made from high quality 100% vegan synthetic fibers, the Glamnetic magnetic eyeliner is the magic that holds your fave Glamnetic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all day hold. It's not the easiest applying liner after you've already put mascara on, but I haven't been wearing eyeliner lately, but I've loved applying mascara before I put my falsies on, so I just didn't really know what order to go in. For optimal results, apply Glamnetic lashes onto liner once 80% dry. So I think this one I put on first is probably dry. Holy shit. That's crazy. That's on there and that ain't moving. And these are wild. These are so wild. That was so fast and easy. I don't know, I don't feel like they're even. Okay, so I thought you could just like take it off and like rearrange it, but I think you have to like reapply. 10 for 10 should not have put mascara on first, but it's fine. They stay on where the magnets are, but like at the end, you see how it doesn't have magnets? It's not really like attached to anything. Do I like it? I don't know. Now I can't get this one on. Those are a little more even. I don't know, they look all right. I think if you look up close, you can definitely see separation from my lashes and the falsies. I usually just pinch those together, but since I got so much junk on my real lashes from the eyeliner, I'm not even gonna do that today. It's literally snowing outside. Don't plan on going anywhere tonight. So did I ever say how much those were? Those were, holy shit. So these lashes and this glue were $63. Those expensive. If I did not like these, I definitely would not replace them with any other style because I'm not paying $63 on a pair of falsies. I'll stick to my $5 ones. Okay, now our last product, we have the MAC Cosmetics matte lipstick, and I got the shade Marrakesh. I don't really know. It's kind of like this like terracotta red shade. It's really pretty. I like it in the tube. I don't know if I'm gonna like it on me, but we'll try it. And this is a matte finish lipstick, and this was $19. I love MAC lipstick, so let's see what she's all about. I'm not even gonna go in with a liner. I'm just gonna go straight in with the lipstick, and let's just see. This is actually like really pretty for a fall look. Like this would have been super pretty. I mean, I like it. It's very different from what I wear. I don't ever wear shades like this, but I do like it. It is very matte. It kind of feels a little drying on the lips, but not like a liquid lipstick or anything, but definitely matte, definitely terracotta. Okay, let's add up the total of our box. So we had the awful iconic London face palette for $55. We have the Glamnetic Bella lashes and magnetic eyeliner for $63. The Tarte Maneater mascara for $23. The MAC Cosmetics MAC lipstick for $19. And the original makeup eraser sponge for $18 for a total of $178. That is a bougie box. I liked all of of them except, I didn't even try this, but I didn't really like this, and especially not for $55. Maybe if it was like 20. The lashes and lash glue, so far I like them. Do I think they're $63 worth? Absolutely not. Like, you can get way better lashes that are easier to apply than this for like $5, but I do like them, and that is the beauty of BOXYCHARM. You get to try out so many new products for cheap, whether they are bougie or not. You get to test them out. So that is this month's BOXYCHARM. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you got any of these products in your box, and if you liked them, what did you think about them? If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment down below to show me some love or just to support me. It really does help growing my channel, which I appreciate so much. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Go make the world smile. What the heck is this? What the heck is this? So it's not the easiest applying lash or eyeliner after or before Glamnetic lashes and eyeliner. Now I gotta do math because I film on my phone. Yeah, like this video if you, be sure to like this video if you, what do I say? Yeah, I like it. How many times can I say that I like it?